If you want a simple way to figure out why your PC feels slow, this is a great place to start. So right click anywhere on your taskbar, then left click Task Manager. When it opens, look on the left side and click Performance. On the right you will see the live graphs for CPU, memory, disk and network, and sometimes a few other things depending on your PC. You can click on any of these to see a bigger graph and more details. This gives you a quick one view of what part of your PC is working the hardest. In this example, CPU and memory are fine, but the disk is very busy. That alone can make a PC feel slow. High disk usage is often caused by too many startup programs, Windows doing background work, or an older mechanical hard drive. In some cases, it can also mean the hard drive is starting to fail. If both memory and disk are high at the same time, it usually means there is not enough RAM and the PC is using the hard drive as extra memory, which makes it much slower. So this one screen can already give you a strong clue as to what the problem might be and helps you narrow down where to look next. So remember this tip.